Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review for you guys using this palette, and it's the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have not seen this palette, these are the colors and they are gorgeous. And let's get to the tutorial. I'm going to start off priming my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour eye primer. And I have on shields today. I'm trying to get that perfect line right here and that line right there when I use the eyeshadow, so that it looks nice and neat. I think I got them from Amazon, and they're big, but I cut them, and this is how they look like. I'm going to go in with the shade Horizon, and I'm going to start off in the middle and use that in my crease. I'm not picking a lot because these shadows are really pigmented, but I'm using the same brush, so I'm just putting the brush in there, just swirling it around. I'll take that yellow shade, that's Soul, and I'm going to use that to blend out the Horizon shade I just used. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the color Volcano, and I wanna put that on the corners of my eye. And I'm using a Morphe M321 brush. I'm gonna go back in with that color that I started with, Horizon, just to make it pop more, because I really want the orange to pop. It's all about the sunset. And I'll take my NYX glitter glue and put it on both eyelids because I want the shimmers on this palette to pop. And you have to work real quick with this thing. It dries up pretty quickly. Then I'll take the color Bronzage, I don't know how to say that. That glitter glue makes this shimmers pop really, really well, and it's not cakey at all. I went back with Volcano, and I picked up again just to put it on the corners of my eye to give it some depth. And then I went in and took another cleaner brush and I blended all that in just to give again, just to give the whole eye some depth. Sinai, and I put it above the Horizon shade that I put it before, and I blended all that just to give more pop to the whole look. Then I took my CoverGirl foundation, and I've already primed my face with the Maybelline primer. I forgot to let you guys know that. And then I took my NARS concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer. It does not cake on me, and it's a perfect perfect shade for my skin tone. And like I say, it does not cake on me at all. I absolutely love it. Then I took my this is Sacha Buttercup powder, and just to set all that in, and I'm using my favorite Sigma brush. Now this is where I took my Sephora face powder, and I put that all over my face and in some of the parts where I put that Sacha Buttercup powder. And then I took another brush and I just wiped all that out, all the extra Sacha Buttercup powder. And I took the Morphe bronzer, and this is in the shade Showman's, and it's a gorgeous bronzer. And I put that on my, just the regular contour areas. And you can use this as an eyeshadow actually. It works perfectly. It's beautiful. Put some on my forehead. I like it. Then I took the Juvia's Place blush and I used that shade. I almost dropped it. It's really, really pigmented. I am not a blush girl. I think I only have this one palette from Juvia's, and it's okay for me because I'm not a blush person. Here I took a regular black eyeliner and I just lined my top eyelids. Then I took Superhero It Cosmetic mascara for my top lashes, and I absolutely love this mascara. I'm gonna take a Morphe M508, and I wanna smoke out my lower lash, and I'm gonna start off with Horizon, I'm always very nervous when I do this because I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye. But I'm gonna pop in with Terra, that one, and see if that's gonna show more than this other one. Oh yeah, you can see that. I went ahead and put an actual black eyeliner on my bottom lash because the color that I wanted to use, Igneous, was not real dark for me. So I went ahead and put in like an actual black eyeliner, and I went back again and I smoked it out using Terra. So I'm going to now put mascara on my bottom lash, and I'm using this itty bitty lower lash mascara that I got from Clinique. And the trick I was told is you look down because you don't want your lashes to touch what you've been working on. So you look down and you keep looking down. I don't have very long bottom lashes. I'm not a big highlighter person, so I'm debating which one to use. I have, this is the MAC, and the color is Glow With It. This is e.l.f. and this is just the regular, I think they call it a baked blush. I think I'll do the MAC. That's a really big one for me. Hopefully it won't be too much. And I'm using this Sigma tapered brush. I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetic Brilliant Eye Brightener. I'm going to use it as a highlighter under my eyebrows. And again, I don't like a lot, so I'm just going to put a little bit just to pop the brow just a bit. Let's put some more. I'm going to go in and pop some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay. I hope this is working now. I had camera issues. And the lashes that I used are Miss 3D Volume Lash in number M104. Then I went in and also did my hair. I popped in some false hair. And this is a hair that I used. And it's just the regular hair. I'll show you the hair. And I popped in this, I sewed in the clips. And you open it like this. You put it in your hair. And then you close it to secure it. And the hair that I use is the Bohemian Curl, and the color is PB1/30. To stick with a sunset look, as you can see, I started putting eyeliner. Lip liner, and my camera just went off. I'm using the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the color number 26, which is a little rusty. I'm trying to stick to the yellowish, orangish theme, the sun, because we are doing sunset. That came out almost red on me. And I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty, this is the Diamond Milk gloss, and I love this. I love these glosses so much. I can never get enough of the smell. Okay. I like how that came out. I thought it would be too orange or too red for the liner, but it came out well. Hair wrap, I got it from Cece's Closet in New York. To finish the look, I'll be using the setting spray, and this is the Morphe setting spray mist. I love this thing. I also put in, I don't know if I told you guys earlier, I don't know. I put in this Touch My Body Mariah Carey. You remember this, the loose powder? I still have it. I hope it's not expired. And I popped that on my shoulder just to give it a little bit of shine. I don't know if you can see it, but yes. Alrighty, so that's the look. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. I do a little bit more there on Instagram, and again, the name is Beauty by Nima. And have a lovely time, and as usual, be kind to others and be kind to yourselves. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot, I popped in some earrings too, representing home.